Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Asma's Kitchen. I'm Asma. Today I have a really mouth-watering recipe to share with you, that is Hyderabadi Chicken Karahi. Give it a try and let me know your feedback, and watch this recipe till the end for recipe card. Right, let's get started with the recipe of really yummy Hyderabadi Chicken Karahi. So here are the ingredients. Chicken 750 grams, tomatoes 9 small size chopped, green cardamom 5, black cardamom 3, bay leaves 2, mace 4, nutmeg I will take half of it, ginger 2-inch piece julienne, chili powder 1 tablespoon, garlic 1 tablespoon crushed, white cumin seed 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, salt 1 teaspoon, ginger 1 tablespoon crushed, oil 3/4 cup. Now in a pan, take oil and let it bit warm. Then add salt, ginger and garlic and saute it till it changes its color slightly. Now add chicken pieces into it. And stir fry it. Cover it and let it half done. Meanwhile, take mace and nutmeg in grinder and grind it. Now stir fry chicken again. And add all whole spices and this grinded one also, and stir fry again, and take out chicken into a platter. Now in same pan add all chopped tomatoes and stir fry it, and add white cumin seed, chili powder and coriander powder. Mix it and cover it and let tomatoes to become tender. Now tomatoes are tender, stir it a bit more and add fried chicken. Stir it and add julienne ginger and let it cook for 10 minutes. Now stir it again and add whole green chilies and chopped green coriander. Mix it and let it simmer for 5 minutes. It is done. Now I will dish it out. Garnish it with julienne ginger, chopped green coriander and green chilies. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media, link in the description. Give thumbs up if you like it, leave comment below and subscribe Asma's Kitchen for more Pakistani cuisine, and don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will be notified when I will upload a new video. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.